Hi, I'm Li Wen, and it's Wednesday. That makes it Li Wednesday. This is Titus.
And we're from Dance Insanity.
We're gonna teach you how to do the international Rumba dance.
Are you an absolute beginner when it comes to dancing? If you are, then you are in the right place to get started.
We're talking you've never ever danced a step in your life, but you really want to learn ballroom dancing.
Maybe for a wedding,
For a dance party,
or you just always wanted to do it and you never got around to it.
never got a chance to doing it. Well, today's your chance.
We're gonna start with the total basic, so we can really take our time and just get the total basic and rub it down.
We'll keep it real simple. First, we'll show you the footwork, then the timing, how to dance together with a partner if you have one. So grab a friend and learn along with them.
Or maybe you don't have a partner, in which case, it's fine. We'll take care of you. You can just learn it on your own.
Let's get started. First up, let's see what the International Rumba Basic looks like. Just watch. Titus, demonstrate. It's a rock step forward, replace and side, then a rock step back, replace and side. Let's break down the footwork. First, we make an L with your left foot. Start with your weight on the right. Step left foot forward. Replace to your right. Then step your left foot to the side. That's your first L. To complete your basic, you need another L. Now your weight is on your left. You will go back on your right. Then forward onto your left. And side on your right. And that's a full basic. Let's see it all together. Starting with your weight on the right, forward on the left, back on the right, side on the left. Your second L, back on your right, forward on your left, and side on your right.
Let's practice that a few more times. So the weight is on the right foot. You're gonna come forward with your left foot, switch your weight onto the left foot. Now you're gonna come back on the right foot and step side left. Now go back on the right foot, replace your weight to the left, get your weight on the left foot, and then step side on the right. Let's do it again. Forward left, replace to your right, side left. Back on your right, replace to your left, and side right. A little bit faster. Here we go. Forward left, replace the right, side left, and back on the right, replace the left, and side right. So how many kinds of rumba are there? You guessed it, 2. There's international rumba, which is what we're doing today, and there's American rumba. Next week, on Wednesday, we're gonna have a duel. International rumba versus American rumba. What are the differences and which one is better? So make sure you check that out. And this is a great time to subscribe to our channel so you're notified immediately when all of our videos come out. Okay, let's learn the timing. So the weight is on the right foot. Then we're going to step forward on the left foot on the count of 2. Now we're going to go back onto the right foot on the count of 3. We're going to step side on the left foot on the count of 4. We're going to hold the count of 1. Now we're going to step back on the count of 2. We're going to put our weight forward on the count of 3. We're going to step to the side on the count of 4. And we're going to hold the count of 1. Let's do it again a little bit quicker. We have 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's do it again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
That was a full rumba basic, except that that was the leader's part. The follower does the same footwork,
but she's actually going to start going back on the right leg. Let's just check it out. So, followers would have their weight on the left foot, then rock back on the right, replace to the left, and then go side on the right. Now, you're going to go forward on the left, replace to the right, and side on the left. Let's try it again. Going back on the right, replace to the left, side right, and forward on the left, replace to the right, side left. A little faster. Okay. Rock back, replace, side, and forward, replace, side. In Latin dancing, you've probably heard there is something called
hip action.
And today's video is very basic, so we're not focused on the hip action yet. But you may want to really get your hip action going, in which case, we've got this great video which you can check out right up there.
And if you just can't wait to get some hip action into your system and your movement, don't worry, at the end of the video, we'll hook you up. Next up, let's see how it works with a partner. It is partner dancing after all. Followers, you will watch me, and leaders, you will watch Mr. T. Followers, you start with your weight on the left, and leaders, weight on the right. Followers gonna go back, leaders coming forward. Rock, replace, side. Followed by a rock, replace, side. And that's how the footwork works with a partner.
Let's try that a couple more times. We're gonna have rock, replace, side, and rock, replace, side.
And again.
Rock, replace, you stole my word, side.
And rock, replace, side. And slightly faster we go. Rock, replace, side. Rock, replace, side.
Let's get that with the counts. It'll be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, we're gonna try it with some music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Woo! We did some rumba! Cool! Now we gotta do it with some frame. Let's just learn how the frame works. Leaders, left arm is gonna be about the height of the follower's eyes. And she's gonna take that hand, gonna close that hand down.
Follower's right hand to leader's left hand.
Leader's right hand is gonna be on her back right there. And his hands are closed. She's gonna put her hand.
Follower's left hand on his shoulder.
Nice, cozy, boxy frame. And we actually want to keep our shoulders parallel. Sometimes people open up this side and they dance the whole time with that side open, which would be undesirable because that actually is letting her know I want promenade. So you're trying to keep this pretty much parallel. Even though this side is a little bit bigger here, we're trying to keep it parallel in the shoulders.
And not open.
Yeah, that's a different move. So if we do our basic, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now with music, any partner if you have one. If not, just practice on your own. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, Now, if you're comfortable with that so far, we want to start to turn it a little bit. So we're going to put the music on again, and we're going to do that basic, and we're just going to slowly turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Next up, we're going to do a little exercise where we practice the basic. And for those of you who don't have the footwork down yet and need more work on that, we have something for you. And for some of you who already got the footwork and the timing, no problem, then we're going to put in some hip action for you to start working on.
Okay, so for those of you who want to just keep working your footwork, you're going to follow Lee Wen. But if you want to get your hip action going, you're going to follow me and just do your best to copy it. Very slowly. We're going to do the leader's basic. So it's going to be that rock step forward and replace and side and back, replace and side and rock, replace, side and back, replace, side and rock, replace, side and back, replace, side.
So what's next? Besides developing great technique, well, learn more steps. And you can click on the tutorial right here where you can learn the top 10 steps for basic rumba, plus a bunch of other stuff. So click there when you're ready. And if you didn't know already, we also put out Footwork Friday videos every single
Friday.
So subscribe if you haven't already to get notified.
Be sure to like this video so that YouTube knows that you like videos like this, and then it will let you know, hey, there's more videos like this. So it's always good to like the stuff you like this.
Send this video to somebody that you would like to dance with.
Yeah, maybe you want to try this out with a friend of yours, and you're like, hey, you do the followers part while I'll do the leaders part. We'll meet on Sunday. It's going to be a blast. Or you could send this to somebody that maybe you would like to break the ice with, and you just need a chance to get together and, you know, do a little bit of dancing.
And a reminder, coming up next Wednesday, we have a very exciting tutorial for you where we're going to pitch international style rumba against American style rumba.
Which is better?
Yeah. Tune in to find out. I'm Lee Wen.
I'm Titus.
Dance Insanity.
We look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Adios.